Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look. New Gewiss Stadium update. Atalanta Stadium renovation nearing completion. Work on the new Curva Sud continues. Nearly all of the seats have now been added. The completion of the current stage, which began in the summer of 2023 and is set to finish by August, aims to have Gewiss fully operational for Atalanta by the start of the 2024-2025 season. The works focus on completely rebuilding the Curva Sud Morosini stand and its roof. This process will not only enhance the facility's aesthetics, but also ensure the safety and comfort of visiting team fans during matches. Additionally, alongside the Morosini roof, 2 long trusses will be installed to support the lighting. An underground parking facility for fans will also be created. After 5 years of modernization, Atalanta's stadium will accommodate 25,000 people. The investment totals $100 million. The Curva Sud work, once complete, will increase the stadium's capacity to about 25,000. As well as this, the construction of a new underground parking lot, owned by the city, and other improvements to the stadium's surroundings will see more amenities for Bergamo fans. The capacity of Curva Sud Morosini was around 4,000 and hosted both home and away fans. Traveling supporters in 2023-24 have a 700-seat section close to the main stand. No more standing soaked on the Curva Sud, looking at the hills in the background. Instead, the aim is a live entertainment venue unmatched in this part of Italy. Atalanta are expected to play the first game in their newly renovated stadium in 2024-25 seasons.